All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model, beautiful black with black cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got alloy wheels, roof racks, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks okay, looks nice. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing on this one. Let's check out your tire tread, which is at 5/32, almost a 6 actually. Yeah, almost a 6. This door looks good. This rear sliding door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Seems to have heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. Is your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread. And your tire tread is less than 4/32, it looks like here. Yep, less than 4/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof of what that looks like. I don't see any dings. Actually do see a little ding right here somewhere. Let me get up there, check it out. Yep, there's a little dent right there. Boom, you see the turn. Let's see. Let's see, it's right here, and that's about 4 or 5 inches. 4 to 5 inch dent right there. Let's see if the glare can get it. There it is, 4 or 5 inches there. Little dent there. Seems to be another one, probably likewise in size, 4 or 5 inches on that side over there. All right, folks. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Steering wheel AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's obviously working. Got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. All right. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights except for tire pressure, airbag. Tire pressure and airbag light on. And your mileage of 32,676. Very nice. Dual AC controls and rear AC controls as well. Keep the lights going. Got little buttons up here. Open that up. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row here. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls and vents. A little button here. Closes this bad boy. Coming around. Rear bumper. Got a couple of chips and stuff like that. It's just normal for one of these vehicles. Check out your lift gate here. A heavy scratch here, about 4 to 5 inches, as you can see it there. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold forward and tuck into there, just like it says, a stow and go. Little button there closes this rear hatch. Here, your rear driver's rim. Look, the rear passenger rim looks pretty good. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread is at just a little hair above 4/32. Double check that. Just a hairline above 4/32. Yeah. Yep. It's actually at the line of 4/32. Got a heavy scratch here, about 4 to 4 inches right there. It's got a dent here. Let's see, 3, 6, about 6 inches right here. Some paint off. And then here we now have another dent on the sliding door. I'll say 10 or more to engulf it all from here to about here. All right, guys. Some paint off down there, but not too much. It's not beat. Here is your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Got a little power button here. Closes that door. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender here. Looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches right there. Some paint off. Rear front passenger rim looks good. And tire tread is over 5/32. Over 6 there. Let me see. over 5:30 seconds. Lights are working, cars running, stuff looks good. Folks, once again, this is a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 32,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.